Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in INIT Launchpool on Binance. It's very easy. First open your Binance apps and go to new page here or new tab here. And then as you can see there is INIT, you can click it. And there are three options or three tokens you can lock to get INIT token. You can choose BNB or USDC or FDUSD. I will choose USDC. You can click lock more here, and you can choose the token you want. I will choose USDC, and then I will just go max here and then click confirm, and that's it. Successfully participated. And if you want lock more token, you can just click lock more and you can choose another token, and you will get token after the launch pool ends, which is 3 days in 3 days. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.